today?
Very good.
Good. So tell me, what did you do yesterday on Saturday?
I do my homework all day.
All day?
Yes.
Yes. What did you do for homework?
Maths and Chinese.
Ah, very nice. And you're going to notice some colors that I've added, and I'll explain what those colors are in just a minute. So last week we worked on writing this paragraph, and it took a while, didn't it?
Yes.
Yes, it took a while. Could you read that paragraph that we worked on together nice and loud, please?
We can travel to many places. There are 4 different kinds of vacations we could take: caravanning, rural vacation, cruising, and adventure. Caravanning can be relaxing and cozy while you use your cooking skills. A rural vacation is comfortable, quiet, and peaceful. Cruising can provide sightseeing opportunities while you relax in the sun. An adventure vacation is challenging as you learn new things and test your courage.
Nice job.